up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are obviously back in the kitchen and we are going to be cleaning out the pantry and the fridge and putting in all the groceries that we got today. But yeah, I do my grocery shopping at Winn-Dixie because they just opened a Winn-Dixie like 2 seconds by my house. And with an infant, it's just super convenient and it's easy. But yeah, before we move on, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're notified every single time I post a video, which is every single Friday. And also join me on Instagram. I post about motherhood and I post my daughter all the time. So follow me on there. Let's get started. I got a bunch of produce. I got kiwi for my daughter to try, peaches, 2 avocados, tomatoes. I love tomatoes, hearts of romaine, blueberries, strawberries, Honeycrisp apples, bananas. We got some dark chocolate, double dark chocolate. I'm obsessed with these. You either love these or you hate them. I'm obsessed. My husband's obsessed. Over here we got Cinnamon Toast Crunch because I'm a Cinnamon Toast Crunch pour, tater tots, some bread. This bread is so good. Dave's Killer Bread. This is a 21 whole grains. Creamer. This is the best coffee. You can get this sweet or unsweetened. This is my favorite creamer. This is the extra Dunkin' creamer. And I also got some more caramel. We got some kombuchas. I got lemon berry. And then I got the trilogy. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Since we're here, I'm gonna show you the freezer. This is the pantry. It's not that bad. I just kind of went through it a couple weeks ago, but obviously needs some more cleaning and I need to throw out some old stuff. Yeah, I'm sorry if my big ass head keeps blocking. I don't know how y'all like film these videos and like your big ass head doesn't block it. First things first, I made Brinley strawberry puree and then this is all broccoli. This is the pantry. It's pretty organized for the most part. Yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is stock up our little container that has liquid IV, and then we have some Mighty Leaf matcha tea. I have a brand new liquid IV thing. It was not satisfying. Boom. I have this tea container. I drink tea every blue moon, but I'm such a coffee whore. But this is from TJ Maxx. They have like a big one as well, but it's so satisfying. This shelf, it's kind of like organized chaos, I like to call it. I have like a bunch of cookies, snacks, granola bars. Down here we have all of the chips. There's more chips back here. We have our croutons, chips, anything in a bag we have in here. And then here we have the overstock of the liquid IV. And then down here we have our cereals, which I just have Cheerios, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We got some crackers. Then we have some breadcrumbs. We have more breadcrumbs back there. These are all the cans. And then in this first basket, we just have a bunch of like random stuff. Extra coffee, cookie butter. This stuff is fantastic. And then when you pull this out in that basket, back there we have a bunch of cooking stuff like flour, sugar, baking soda, oil, and then in this bin we have some overstock. So that concludes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. I will see you guys in my next video.